In a significant development, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Argentina's Ministry of Defense have signed a letter of intent on productive cooperation and acquisition of light and medium utility helicopters for the armed forces of the Argentina. After the objections by Argentina on the British ejection seat of Tejas Mark 1A aircraft, India has expressed to the Argentinian side that it is ready to modify the indigenous Tejas Mark 1A fighter jet as per the demands of Argentina, and the British ejection seat can be replaced with a Russian ejection seat or an ejection seat from a friendly country, but then these modifications will have extra bearings on the price of the aircraft, which will be borne by Argentina. The Tata Group has announced that it has begun manufacturing of the first of the 40 made in India C-295 aircraft at its Hyderabad-based facility that will be delivered in 2026, and all 40 aircraft will be delivered by 2031. A majority of the work will be done in Hyderabad facility, and production of parts will be done at its Nagpur facility, while the final assembly line will be set up in Gujarat by mid of 2024. The initial set of 6 pilots have also finished their training in Spain, and the first lot of aircraft engineers of the Indian Air Force are now being trained to carry out maintenance of the aircraft at 10 operating bases. The DRDO Chief has said that the DRDO has successfully conducted trials of the Mach 5.5 capable Rudram-2 advanced air-to-surface missile that has been designed to be launched from Su-30 and Mirage 2000. It has a strike range of 300 kilometers, and it comes in 2 variants. The first variant is designed to neutralize enemy radar installations with utmost accuracy, while the second variant is designed to target airstrips, bunkers, and aircraft hangars. The Indian Navy is setting up a team along with the Defense Ministry to negotiate the terms and conditions of the 26 Rafale Marine deal. The negotiating team will be led by a senior naval officer, while the French side will be led by its defense ministry, and 2 sides will negotiate on the price and other terms of purchase, as well as some India-specific requirements and integration of Indian-designed equipment and establishment of MRO hub for various systems. India has finally dropped plans to develop a homegrown AWACS based on the Airbus A330 platform, and has decided to focus all energies around the A321-based Netra Mark II program. The DRDO has acquired 6 pre-owned A321 aircraft from Air India that are being modified in conjunction with Airbus, and with this latest decision, the DRDO team finally has a predictable path to tread, and the Air Force will be pushing aggressively for a rapid cycle of development and integration. The Indian Army has released a request for information to lease 20 light helicopters, and the lessor needs to provide requisite costing information for finance lease of the 20 helicopters for a duration of 5 years, 10 years and 15 years. It should be capable of installing a 7.62mm medium machine gun, and will be used for armed reconnaissance and surveillance operations, scout role in conjunction with attack helicopter, and carry small body of quick reaction teams for special missions. The third meeting of the Working Group on Indo-Russian Military Technical Cooperation was held in New Delhi, and the 2 sides discussed the issue of spare parts and maintenance issue of Russian origin defense equipment used by Indian military. By engaging in productive discussions, the 2 nations aim to identify practical solutions to ensure the continued operational readiness of their essential military equipment. Suryadipta Projects Private Limited has launched the second Barge of 11 ammunition-cum-torpedo-cum-missile barge project for the Indian Navy that will undertake the mission needs for embarking or disembarking ammunition torpedo missile on Indian naval warships.